Hello and welcome to week 6 of my effective listening mini training series, made up of 8 exciting installments. So far, we've covered lots of things, including different ways that we can use silence and the importance of not interrupting. But if you're the sort of person that genuinely finds it difficult to keep your mouth shut, then I've got some very interesting news for you. Because today we're going to look at an effective listening technique that you can use that allows you to break both of these rules and yet still be considered a good listener. What is it? How does it work? Could I give you an example? Well, I just did. Specifically, what I'm referring to are effective listening questions. I say effective listening questions because not all questions are effective. Many questions give the impression that you, as the listener, either dislike, disagree, or disbelieve what the other person is saying. Where did you get this information from? Are you sure? How many? Effective listening questions are a particular type of question that fulfill 3 requirements. The first is that the question demonstrates that the listener is clearly paying attention. The second is that the question is asking for clarification, asking for more information, but without hinting that there's an attitude or any sort of disbelief. And the third is that the question encourages the speaker to continue talking. And you can generally divide these types of questions into 3 types. The first of these is what I would call qualifying questions, questions that start with the word how. You say it was bad. How bad was it? You say that you were excited. How excited were you? The second type of question is what I call example questions. Could you give me an example of that? Or how would that apply to somebody like myself? And the third type of question is what I call paraphrasing questions. Are you saying that this project can't be done within the time period that we have? So what you're saying then is that you do know where the keys are, but you just can't get them at the moment. Hopefully this all makes perfect sense. But how often do you use effective listening questions during a conversation? So your effective listening challenge for week 6 is this. The next time you're having an important conversation, try and ask 2 or 3 effective listening questions. By doing this, you're not only demonstrating that you're paying attention, but you're also giving value, recognition, and encouragement to the speaker and gaining a better understanding as you gain better information. Any questions?